Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to activate TextNow data. Firstly, open the Settings app on your phone. Tap on Connections and then go to Mobile Networks, may also appear as SIMs. Scroll down, then tap on Access Point Names. If you don't see it, immediately tap on Advanced, then select Access Point Names. Now, tap Add or the plus icon at the top of the screen, then enter the following details. Name, TextNow, APN, TextNow.static. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Save to store the new APN configuration. Just select the TextNow APN option from the list of APNs. You need to go back to the Settings menu, turn on Airplane Mode on, wait 10 seconds, then turn it off again. Your phone is now configured and activated to use the TextNow APN. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.